Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Watch D, and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this watch. First, let's press the home button to wake up the screen on our watch. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Now, you can tap on the settings icon to open the settings, and in settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called About. Tap on it to enter, and here scroll down, and below the Harmony OS version we have the serial number right here listed. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face, and that's how you check the serial number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.